Hello, you like my new haircut? I'm revealing it now, look. Most of you knows about my hair. They've just seen today, but this is my hair. One on the sides and then a bit short on the top. Yes, that's my new hair. I really love it. There's some bits need to cut off, like if you see the 3 bits on top. Right, today, sex education lesson. Sing some manky cocks and fannies. And got a lot of condoms, that's right. What of maths and English? The public service. Yeah. Still got a cold? Yes, alright. I'm on YouTube at the moment. On my main channel. Yes, it's sort of working now, but I still got Tom Clement's TV. Yes. I'm planning to do proper videos on my main channel. I mean proper parodies and proper music videos, but I need like people, stuff like that. I'm gonna work on a big project soon, so watch out for that. Right, I'm tired. Just relaxing, gonna listen to music. Blah blah blah. He said this. Right. I'll see you later. Bye.